Let us write a program for counting characters, tabs and spaces. So we have known the basic input output in the file. Now how to compute number of characters and spaces, tabs, new line? These all are nothing but these are simply what? Simply the because they are not seen on the whenever you type in Word or say WordPad, you will not see it. That is why they are called blank spaces. So characters, apart from this character or other from this character, all these are the blank spaces. So what we will do, we will do here, we will stdio io.h will include, we'll make a file pointer, we'll have some variables like this. These integer variables are simply for counting, that is number of L plus plus. This is for number of tabs, this is for number of the characters and backspaces of tabs, you can say. This L, T, B, C are for all these. It depends on you what name you choose. I'll show you how we are going to compute it, for what we have used this variable. So now the main concentration of ours is opening a file, fopen. So we are opening a file called pr1.c in read mode, and after that we are using an indefinite loop. We are getting a C from this fp, that is fp is now pointing to the first character of the file, and we are using fgetC, and every time we check for end of file. If end of file is there, we break, and we see that if character is equal to end of file, and every time we read a ch, we increase NOC, that is NOC is nothing but number of characters, so NOC plus plus. But if we get a space, if we get a blank, we get NOB plus plus, so NOB is for the spaces. If we get a /n, that is we have a new line, this is for new line, NOL plus plus. If we get a tab, we increment NOT plus plus. So depending upon what comes with fgetC, all those characters are being matched respectively with the character, with the new lines, etc. And these are being computed, and means these are being incremented and computed, and finally these are being printed. So this is just a test run of any file which you give. And this gives you the simple idea how we can use a file, open a file, and simply a program, a very good and explanatory program can be derived from it.